Hey everybody, Just Monger here. Today we're opening up a booster box of Invasion of Chaos, but it's Korean. I've had this booster box sitting around for, I don't know, like fucking 3-4 years now. I've never really opened it. These are really cheap. Korean cards are extremely cheap in general. So we get 40 5-card packs, I believe, is the ratio of this. We have a lot of fucking packs here. I'm not sure what the pool rates or anything are. I don't know if these have like the 2017 reprint quality, the original unlimited, or something. And we need scissors to open these. Wonderful. Luckily, I do have scissors. And let's hope we don't cut the cards. So it looks like these are the 2007 reprints. I don't know why, but like this text box, like the texture on it, like it has like a really weird marbling color. I don't think that that's like a usual thing. And then, okay, I've never seen this card before. I've seen the the effect version. I've just never seen that specific one. We have Chaos Sorcerer, pretty nice. Ooh, our first rare. I don't know what the fuck that is. Be cool if it focused. So this video might be a little long just because we're opening up 40 packs and we have to cut every single one open individually. We have Blasting the Ruins here, Sacred Crane, I think? Heart of the Underdog, Red Ninja, and Thing. I'm not very good at remembering the vanilla monster names. Whatever the fuck that is. Big Koala, DNA Transplant, Hammerhead Dino, something ninja related. So I don't even know if we're guaranteed like a secret rare or something. I assume that we were at least guaranteed one. We have Lechuga, I think it's called. Something? I'd seen this card before. It kind of does suck that we don't get a rare every pack. Modern packs are kind of spoiled with that. Like, get something at least. These, like, you just get like a common most of the time. You just get 5 bad commons. If they happen to make like a GX, or a nice little, we have 2 of them, wonderful. If they happen to make like a GX one, I don't know if they do or not, I'm not too certain. I'll probably open up a pack if there's a GX one, or a box. Another dupe, what the fuck? I would like 1 holo, please. No. I just want to know what the holo foil looks like on these. Another dupe, wow. I don't particularly have a card I want, although getting a BLS would be cool. Maybe a DMOC as well. What is this? I have never seen this card before. Dralago. Ooh. This sounds very dated, but I remember when Dralago was first added to Duel Links, you could only get him through, like, a level up. You could only get one copy through a level up through, like, Merrick, I think. And for years, people were like, give us a second Dralago. And they did. And you know what we asked for after? We asked for a third Dralago. Oh, shit! We have an Ultra. We have a Dark Mirror Force, I believe. It's pretty neat. I like that. The hollow foil itself doesn't really look like much. That's neat. I wonder what the secrets look like. I really hope we pull a, I think there's only like 2 secrets in the older sets. Maybe. I would love to be able to read Korean so I can read what the fuck the box says. Berserkerilla is a rare. We have quite a pile over here of empty packs. Ojama. Wow. My favorite. Funny thing is actually, Ojama's, the 3 vanillas actually came in 2 separate sets. Green came out in Dark Crisis, which came out first. And yellow and black came out in Invasion of Chaos, which came after. Which is kind of weird. We have Spirits of the Pot of Greed, I think it's called. Another rare. We are just flying through these at a okayish pace. We haven't seen a single super rare yet. We have only seen 1 ultra and a bunch of rares. I'm not even sure if you can pull a super. There's Compulse. They're blasting the runes here. There's Salvage. That's pretty neat. I remember Salvage used to be a pretty expensive card for a while because it didn't have a whole lot of printings. A lot of decks like Frog and stuff like that, Wetlands Beatdown, they needed Salvage. I keep getting fucking Ojama Yellow in the rare slot. Like, almost every pack I've gotten in Ojama Yellow, pretty much. No, it's just common. We still have a decent amount left. Like, surely we're going to start pulling some hollows soon. Another Ojama Yellow. I sure do love that guy. I don't think I just cut... Did I cut the top of the card? No, I did. It felt like I did for a minute. A rare. Really? It is something I'm not too enjoying a whole lot about foreign packs. Is that you have to fucking cut them open for some reason. I don't like that. Like, I really don't. surely we're going to start pulling some hollows pretty soon. Let's actually look at the back of the pack. What does this have on there? Probably something important. But I just can't read it. Another rare. This is something that I don't like, is I don't like opening up Japanese products on camera just because so much of it is, there's not much to say. Just because it is literally just like 5 commons in the pack pretty much. Like there's not a whole lot of like stuff to say. We're starting to get down to the last couple here. So hopefully we don't just pull one Ultra. That would be really shitty if we opened up 40 of these little packs and we got one Ultra. We're getting from the bottom now. These have to be like seated or something. Oh, another Ultra! Strike Ninja. Probably the least interesting Ultra I could have gotten. That was the one Ultra I did not want to get, and I pulled it. We have a... what is it? It's a Super. It's, DD Scout Plane, maybe? Whatever that one is. Are all the hollows just going to be in the back? Yes, they are. There's Freed. I think that's Freed? General Freed or something? Yes. I don't even know what that one is. Never seen that card either. Another Super. Wow, who would have guessed? We have 2 packs left. I don't know if we get a secret. I don't know the Korean pull rates. Just a rare. So, hopefully this has a secret, maybe? We have Chaos Necromancer, Ojama Yellow, I think it's called Babel, Chaos Seed or something, and that thing. So no, we don't get a secret per box, unfortunately. But our pulls are okay. I'm coping here. We put a Dark Mirror Force and a Strike Ninja as our Ultras. And 4 not good supers and a couple of rares, which really don't do much. I'm not too stressed about it. This box was over like $20, not even, and I bought this like 3 or 4 years ago. Here's the mess that has made. Like, just a bunch of empty packs here. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you happen to open up a product like this, let me know what you pulled. I would love to know if you can get secrets in this set. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeet.